You ever walk through the forest and... Ernie, I'm talking to you. Have you ever walked through the forest and wondered why every so often there's a boulder, like that big huge one right there? Have you? Yeah? No? Oh well, it's called a boulder erratic. It was rode in here on the shoulders of a glacier, because that whole valley down there was carved out by a glacier this direction, and we're hiking along the lateral moraine, and that boulder took a ride probably from way up the valley that way and got dumped here when the glacier receded. There's another one over there. There's a whole bunch of them. Very cool. That one's a big one. Do you feel smarter now?